Slide, sir.
Morning. There, good morning.
Paano kaya? Slide din pa. Hi!
Dala bro.
Yes.
Yan naman, sabi ko,
Sabi ko,
makatouch po kayo sa CSC.
nasa DTI ka.
Wala.
This flag raising ceremony is hosted by the City Legal Office. Now, to begin this ceremony, let us bow our heads in prayer. In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. The ceremonial ribbon cutting ceremony. And lastly, for the Baguio City March, may we call on the
Tayo ngayon sa ating opisina and delighted to serve our people, our visitors, our guests, especially po ang ating mga kababayan dito sa ating siyudad ng Baguio. And ang paninilbihan ay isang opportunity for us to be able to uplift the lives of other people while we have limitations, but we'll be doing our best so that we can be able to deliver not only what is expected from us, but adding value to the services which we could provide and extend to our beloved constituents and citizens of Baguio. Mabuhay! Jadi hani ako na na ipagpapagod di wali ta maalak ko man. Butcher ko tani ada ting man. Sige sige.
Good morning, sir.
Councilor Vladimir Ayala. To the Honorable Councilor. Okay. We are all settled, so we have to start this program. Energetic, handsome, and helpful City Councilor Vladimir Ayala.
Thank you, sir. Palakpakan natin siya po, Kapitan Raymond. Kayo ba ay masaya ngayon? Sino ang mga masaya ngayon? Sige, taas natin mga kamay. Ayan, sino na, hindi naman kayo napilit nagpunta dito, di ba? Hindi. Di pilit ni Daddy, ni Mama, ni Lolo, ni Lola. Ni Tito at ni Kapitan, di ba? Hindi. Si Kagawad Karen. So, ulit, palakpakan nyo inyong mga sarili, mga anak. Malahat po ng ating mga barangay officials, headed by again, our good friend, punong barangay, yung mga ate at mga kuya ninyo, mga kabataan, ay gumagalaw para matulungan po kayo ng mga ading nila. No? So, ano ba yung sabi ni Rizal sa mga kabataan natin? O ano sabi ni Dan Jose Rizal? Ano sabi niya? O sige nga. Yan ang kabataan ng siyang pag-asa ng ating bayan. Siyempre, kayo yun, mga anak, mga ate, mga kuya, di ba? Pansino, dagdagan natin. Pwede ba dagdagan natin yung sabi ni Doc Jose Rizal? Dagdagan natin, ang tunay na pag-asa ng ating bayan ay ang mga kabataan na may disiplina sa sarili. May pakialam sa kanilang bayan, may direksyon sa kanilang buhay, paggalang sa otoridad at respeto sa kanilang mga magulang. Sila po ang tunay na pag-asa ng ating bayan. At nakikita natin yan sa inyong mga anak, mga ate at mga kuya. No? Hope, bayan yung English na pag-asa. Hope is only a positive concept. At ikaw man ay adult. Ibig sabihin yan, kung tayo po'y malikhain, mas nakakatulong po tayo sa ating komunidad. Actually, itong creativity ay isa po rin yan sa ating committee kasi 5 po ang committee chairmanship ng iyong dito. Sino magaling sumayaw? Sino? Yan. Sino magaling magsulat? Ayan. Sino naman ang magaling na, sabihin natin, magbasa? Ayan. O sino rin naman ang magaling ng sports? Ayan. Sino naman ang magaling ng cultural para po sa inyo, ating mga anak? Gusto nyo bang maging tagumpay? Gusto nyo maging successful sa buhay?
Yes!
Sino gusto maging doktor dito?
Guys, hi. Dito sa ating summer day. Hi. Ayan.
Isang ka nag-ceremony?
Okay. Guys.
Thank you.
Iyalis ko yung lugar ng nila. Nag-parkan nyo? Sunod yun sa kanan.
Huwag mo nung magpuloy niya ay magpaganda yung city lang.
We look into that later as we grow ourselves. And then our superintendent mentioned about our meeting on for a while ago. Before I forget, baka makalimutan ko, walang budget ang mga TWG nung last karaan. And then our superintendent and then by 7 technical working group. So you add that one, that will be the number of personnel from the city of Baguio who will be going to the Malaro. And then maybe we have to talk also later because some of us will be going there by May 18 subgroup. Ang tinitingnan ng region kung ano yung mga bakante sa airplane, yun yung kinukuha nila kaya yun yung dahilan kung bakit naging chapso yung schedule natin. But we'll look into those things as we go on with our activity. So I'm just laying out on what are the things that we will be having later. So to all of you, good morning.
Who has continuously shown support to the various sports activities of the division, especially during the conduct of the Kara Meet 2026. May we now lend our ears and listen to the message of our distinguished City Councilor, Honorable Vladimir D. Cayatas.
Thank you, Madam. Good morning sa ating lahat. Kumusta ang 1 month na bakasyon po natin?
Masaya.
Masaya na masaya. Gusto nga bawal niya sasalot dito eh. Nakakasap 1 month na no disruption. So, ibig sabihin niya na dapat energized tayo. We are more alive than dead. Sabi nga nila. So that we will be able to influence our seatmates and our co-workers. Kaya po ibang papalakpak tayo ng malakas. Salamat. Of course, kay Madam SDS, Madam Soraya, and other officials of the Department of Education and here in the city of Baguio. Kayo po ng mga kapitapitado, mga coaches, mga trainers, you made a difference in the rest of the team. Able to bring home the higher level of performance. Pakilan po pala ang Cordillera. Di ba kasama tayo sa Aswan region? Yan, the last time, pakilan po pala tayo? Out of 8 regions, number 9 tayo. So hindi po naman masama because we are the middle pack. So probably our aim is for us to be able to surpass our last performance. Or adopting some sort of strategies, making use of scientific programs for them to be able to really prepare well their athletes. And then, the last S, what to stop. Yung dapat na natin itigil kasi tapos na natin nagawa. Nakita natin that we have already on sports activities. We do believe that the sports is considered as the laboratory of life. Kaya isang assessment na dapat natin gawin. Ano po ang naging impact ng sports program natin sa buhay ng ating mga estudyante? Kasi yan yung pinaka-importante sa atin. Yung medal na makukuha natin as a team, as a delegation, it's only one of the aspects. But you know, dati po, medyo pariwara na estudyante, pero siya po ay na-involve sa sports, na-discover natin ang kanyang potential. He became an athlete for Baguio City for the Cordillera region. And because of that, he was able to realize how important life is to him. Kaya siya po ay naging isang stalwart sa kanilang komunidad. At yan po ang dapat nating makita in terms of assessment, in terms of performance, mga kaibigan. So, with that, in advance that we would like to congratulate you, in advance that we would like to journey with you as you will be carrying the flag of the Cordillera Administrative Region in this national sporting event, mga kaibigan. Sabi na natin, sports is more than medals. Sports serve.
Ay, sige sir.
Pagdasan tayo lang.
Ay, sige sir. Thank you.
To our SDS, Ma'am Soraya, to our
Time strictly segregated 7 to 8 a.m. collection, peelings, rooted to compost. And of course, yung pest control, meron tayong DIY, upcycled aluminum foil, and bottle repellents. Lahat po yan naka-check doon sa checklist po natin. Again, let's have a round of applause for this man. And the innovation spotlight. Ito yung ating Eco Hub Geography. We have the waste segregation area, katabi po ng ating Eco Hub. Why? Because there's a purpose. Ang goal dito is to maximize access to recyclable intercepting plastic bottles, wrappers, and junk food containers the moment they are discarded. Transforming the segregation area
Thank you po.
Kailan po, kailan po sa piyate? Ay, ako Diyos ko.
Morning.
Morning, man.
Morning.
Counselor.
Morning.